Welcome back, students. Now in this video we are going to discuss once again limit based on L'Hospital rule, evaluation of limits based on L'Hospital rule. You know the procedure very well. Okay, L'Hospital rule. So evaluate limit of cos x whole raised to 1 by x square as x tends to 0. As usual, you know that. Let us solve. Let us discuss this starting with solution. K is equal to, assign K is equal to, or let K is equal to, and first you have to check it yourself, okay, whether it will take indeterminate form or not. First, as x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1 whole raised to 1 by 0, this is infinity. So 1 raised to infinity, you should say type 3 example, students. Okay. As you know that we are discussing a evaluation of the limits by the help of L'Hospital rule. If you want to apply L'Hospital rule, it should be in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So for that, we need to convert this. What do you convert? What do you convert into 0 by 0 form? First we are going to convert type 3 into type 2. Type 2 is, 0 into infinity or infinity minus infinity. Then type 1 is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So for that, we are going to take log on both sides. So this is log k base e is equal to limit log of a limit as x tends to 0 cos x whole raised to 1 by x square, okay, to the base e. Remember, student, log of a limit becomes limit of log. Here is a standard property. Limit as x tends to 0, this is log of cos x whole raised to 1 by x square to the base e. Okay. So now further, log, this is in the form of log m raised to n. Okay, this is in the form of log m raised to n. Log m raised to n is n log m. Okay, so this is limit as x tends to 0. This is 1 by x square into log of cos x. As I mentioned already, it's first it was type 3. Now check here. As x tends to 0, this is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity into log of cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, log 1 is 0. Okay, now it's a type 2. Next, what we need to do? Just we need to convert into type 1. For that, just what you need to do is, just you can write log of cos x as it is, and you can write this as x square, that's all. Now it will take log of cos 0 is 1, log 1 is 0 divided by 0. It's a type 1. Now you can apply L'Hospital rule for this. So apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. You know L'Hospital rule? Okay. Differentiate both numerator and denominator separately with respect to x. Students, we have taken log on both sides here. Should remember. We are not applying differentiation for left side. Okay. Limit as x tends to 0. Students, I am not going to operate here. Directly I am going to differentiate. Differentiation of log of cos x is 1 by cos x. Again, cos x is minus sin x divided by differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay. Now it will become limit as x tends to 0. Sin by cos is, which is minus tan x divided by 2x. So once again you can check it. As x tends to 0, tan 0 is 0 by 0. Once again it is indeterminate. We will go for one more step, that is, I am writing here, just look at. So left side is starting with log, okay. So you apply once again L'Hospital rule, apply L'Hospital rule. So left side is log k base e is equal to limit as x tends to 0 minus differentiation of tan x is secant square x divided by 2 into x is 1. Okay. Now you can observe denominator is not equal to 0. Stop the procedure and apply the limits. Log k base e is equal to, when applying the limits, secant 0 is 1 by cos 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. So this is minus 1 by 2. Therefore k is equal to, this is log, then what is anti-log? So that is, it is in the form of exponential e raised to minus 1 by 2. So this is the value of the limit for the question, limit as x tends to 0 cos x whole raised to 1 by x square. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.